Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create page breaks in Google Docs. So let's start it. At first, open a Docs file. Firstly, create page break is going to the text is in here. Click. I'm going to the insert menu option and click for the break option. Now click for the page break option. That's okay. Then again click here. Now text any text. Now click the insert menu option and click for the break option. Now click for the page break option. Then again I show the correct page break is gold looks. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.